Okay, this is a Sub-Zero Model 511. This is a water valve for the ice maker. We're going to show you how to remove that. Now this refrigerator obviously is not installed in its proper place. It's on a gurney right now, and so it's easier for me to show you what's going on. When this is in place, when the refrigerator is actually installed, it's much harder to get to all this equipment. But the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take off the ground wire, which is disconnected. And then on this particular model, you take off the fitting for the water line, like that. Now unscrew that. And then you just push this out, because and that's the water valve. You can see that there's a slot right in there, so when you put it on, you have to fit that slot into that groove. Yeah, and then you screw it back in with this particular water valve does not have a ground wire on it. Obviously it was torn off some way, but so you would disconnect the harness and then disconnect the plastic line that goes up into the ice maker fill tube. Basically that's it. So you put the new water valve on, you put that fitting in there, you tighten this up, hand tighten it, you hook the harness back in like that, install the water valve like so, and then you put your ground wire back on. Right there. Now there's also the older models, Sub-Zeros, have a different kind of a water valve setup, so if yours doesn't have this, then it would be completely different instructions. And of course the water supply line would connect right there. Now there's a plate missing on here that gets screwed into this hole that locks this valve so it can't come out. So there's a part missing here, because that's what that other hole is for right there. There's a plate that goes around this way and screws into here to lock that in. But that's it for now. That's a water valve.